So, hi guys, let's confirm if we are live and we are on live. So, we are live. Let me confirm on the channel.
Let's confirm if we are live.
Yes, we are live. So, in our today's video, we are going to.
We are on live.
Let me stop. Let me stop this. Okay. So, in our today's video, we are going to see how you can be able to use AI to create content and to simplify your life. So, today's video is we will do like an overview on how to do various tasks on YouTube. So, we will learn how maybe to generate YouTube thumbnails. We'll be able to learn how to use maybe what do you call it? How to research for YouTube videos, and also we will learn maybe how to automate a simple automation just using AI, such that if you post your video, you get a notification like your video has been published. So where should I start? So the first thing where we are supposed to start is many of us know how to use ChatGPT, and in order to use ChatGPT, in order to interact with it, you must know how to prompt it. To prompt it, you have to know how to tell it to do what you want. So in order to tell it what you want, you must know what we call prompt engineering, and there's this link where you can go learn about prompting. But prompting is simple. You have to know what you want, you have to know the output, and you have also to tell the AI to take a role. Like for a role, I mean, if you want it to generate an image, you tell it as an experienced YouTube thumbnail designer, create this image. So you have to tell it to do a role, then you have to tell it the task that is supposed to do, and the task you have to, it's the one that we are telling it, create an image. Then you want to specify the output. For that, you maybe for YouTube thumbnail, you want it to be a 16 by 9 ratio. That is the one you want as output. So those are the basic of prompting. And if you also like experienced, you can write a full prompt like this one. This is the one I created, and it gives me a YouTube script. It gives me the output. I have specified it is YouTube script. We have YouTube community post. It writes even a tweet storm, a LinkedIn post. It even writes the image generation text prompt, and also it writes like the YouTube video titles, and also those are the things that it does. So what I always do is just come here and change this part. So maybe we do a demo. So let me copy the whole of it. Then we go to an AI. The AI that I want us to use today is Lee Mystical or ChatGPT. So you press new chat, then we paste our prompt. Then we want to use to change the video topic, which is at the top. So for that part, I want to write how to create content using AI. How to create content using AI. Then I press enter. And the good thing about this AI, it's very fast. You can see we have a response already, and we have LinkedIn post, YouTube community post, a script, even a YouTube short script, I think. So what I'm really interested about is the image prompt. I want to use it so that we can generate an image, a YouTube image, YouTube thumbnail image. So this is a AI image prompt. So this AI can also even generate the can be used to generate image, but I usually love Flipic one because it's very fast. But let's use both and see whatever you want. So we write the prompt. So you first specify the output. Then you specify the task, and what else do we need to? And also you specify the role. So the role you can write it at the front. Then we press enter. Then we copy as we are waiting for this to generate. Then we go to Flipic. We go to AI Suite image generator. Then we paste our prompts. Also there is this one called Flux Realism. It can generate content, a real picture, what do you call it, a almost real person compared to other AI. So you can see these are various photos which are generated using the AI. For this AI, using writing text is not very good, but I will show you which you can use to generate, like, what do you call them, like graphics. For graphics you use an AI called ideogram. So we can also paste our prompt and then compare the results. So I think the first one has generated. You can see this is the thumbnail that we have. At least it's look very beautiful. So then we check for the Flipic. Flipic is very fast. It generates very fast. You can see just a few seconds and you will have your image. For ideogram, yes, you can see when you are using ideogram, it is able to write text in a very good manner. Yes, you can see it's very design oriented. You can see the difference, a lot of difference, and you can see the realism. It tries to replicate a real life situation, and you can see it's very good. Also, this video I don't have a thumbnail, so I have a thumbnail already, but you can see for Flipic this is what we have, but you can play around with the plant and you can see different results. So maybe I can change this as my thumbnail. So here you can be able to come to YouTube. At the moment I don't have the test button to test the thumbnail, so this is what I mean. When you are on YouTube gives you the part to test various thumbnails and to show which thumbnail will work the best. So that is a point to consider. So you generate like 3 images, then you come to YouTube, you press the 3 button, you will see a test button, then you upload the 3 thumbnails that you have uploaded and YouTube will test which works best for you. So we are done on image generation. Also you can use Gwen. It is made by Alibaba. Also this one is very good in terms of image generation. So you can see the results. So you can tell me in the comment section which AI do you feel you can use for image generation, or even Flux. You can see the Flux generate a little image. It tries to replicate a real person. So I think now we are done on image generation. Also, if now we go back to our AI, our AI script, our AI prompt, you can see we generated a YouTube script. So maybe if you don't want to talk, you can use AI to read your script. So you can see our script here, but it has titles. This is because of the prompt that I wrote it, but we can clean it using AI. So we copy it, we open a new chat, then we tell the AI what to do. So we want it to clean this script so that it can be pasted in audio. we can paste it in a voice AI platform. So let's put that in our prompt and see. So let's wait for it to clean. So the next part that I want to introduce you to is the voice chat. You can use AI to do like voice for you, and maybe we can do.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues and the forests whispered secrets of old, there existed a dragon named Zephyros.
I think if you scroll a lot in social media, you have heard about that voice. Then, so and our script now is screened. We can copy it. So let's just copy the first part. So this is the text box that you are supposed to paste your text and let it read for you, and you can choose various
Why don't
voice
skeletons
actor.
fight each other? They don't have the guts.
So like you can put our script, then you press play.
Now, did you know that 90% of content creators struggle to keep up with the demand for fresh content? What if I told you that A, I can help you create high quality content in a fraction of the time?
So you can use it there. And also like at the moment AI, you can do even your voice cloning. I have not yet used it, but it is a feature. Also, if you are want to watch a YouTube video and that YouTube video is on another language, you can be able to use what we call as voice dubbing. Maybe the video is in Hindi, like this one was originally in Hindi. Let me show you the source.
This game, you're not ready for it.
क्या क्या सीखेंगे इस कोर्स का कंटेंट क्या रहेगा.
So this video was originally in Hindi language. You can hear it.
देखिए इस कोर्स में
And you can't hear anything, but using AI you can be able to dub. So this is the dubbed the results after using AI. And the good thing, it was even able to like replicate the voice, like voice cloning. It tried to match the YouTuber. So let's hear the result.
course on the internet. I have not missed anything in this course. Let's see what we will learn in this course, what the course content will be. See, in this course, I have created videos according to the chapters. I have divided this course into chapters. First, let's talk about chapter number 1.
So man, that is how you can use AI. But this feature about dubbing in YouTube, if you are YouTuber, the YouTube is trying to use this feature. So in the near future, it will be integrated fully into YouTube. So that is how we can be able to use voice. Then we go to the last part about researching. So in order to research, there is this AI called Notebook LM. So you can go to this, you can search for it, then create a notebook. So when you create a notebook, this is what you will get. And you can be able to add your source to it. If you are researching for a video, let's say you are learning about this course, you can be able to go to your video and copy the URL and then come and paste it here. So you upload the source, then you paste your YouTube video and insert. So this AI will be able to go to this YouTube video and be able to know all the content that is here. So then you can chat with this content. So this using this notebook LLM, it is able to go to your video, then get only the results from the video. It will not go to the internet or to any other source. The only source that is it's getting the result is from here. So that is how you can be able to use it. And also the good thing, you can be able to like generate a podcast from it and listen to it, and you can be able like to save notes. So you can highlight this part, then you press add note and the notes will appear here. So this is a very good notebook, good way to research for videos. So I think it will take a lot of time to generate voice, but this is where you get the podcast version, and you can be able even to chat with it. So as it is generating, we go to the last part on generating videos. The last AI to use is called Kring AI. This one is used to generate video. I'm not yet very conversant with it, but it's there. I have not like used it, but let us use it for the first time. Also, as it's loading, there is another AI that you can use called Zapier. You can be able like to automate your various tasks. So I created a task notification every time a video goes live in our channel. You will be able to get a notification through WhatsApp. So I interconnected it, and every day when a video would go live on our YouTube channel, I could receive the message and also with the link. So I used Zapier for that. This was what I created, and the good thing is there is an AI that you can use it to create such an event. So I don't know, I've not really used the Krang, but you can do it on your own. So also the last one is using Google Studio. Using Google Studio, you can be able to share your screen to Google Studio, and it helps you to solve various tasks. I have a video which I will link it in the description on how you can be able to do it. So this is the
Okay, so
This is the
let's
podcast
unpack
I was
this.
telling
We've
you.
got this transcript from a YouTube video, right? It's introducing a pretty big HTML and CSS course in Hindi.
Right. And our job here is basically to figure out what makes this course stand out.
Yeah, what's the structure? What's the potential value here for
So you can see like the AI is able to generate even a podcast to it, and there is what we call interactive mode. Like you are able to talk with the AI, and you have to press these interactive buttons. So let's wait for it. I think it would take some. Okay.
Okay, so let's unpack this. We've had this transcript from a YouTube video, right? It's introducing a pretty big HTML and CSS course in Hindi.
Right. And our job here is basically to figure out what makes this course stand out.
Yeah, what's the structure? What's the potential value here for you, someone who wants to, learn this stuff efficiently?
Think of it like a quick
So
guide
you
of
can be
source.
able to join this
So the main
conversation
idea,
by
it seems, is taking you all the way through. Oh, hey there, what's up?
Hey there, how are you? So, how can you be able to tell me to learn HTML and CSS in 5 days based on the course?
Hi there, we're doing great. Thanks for asking.
That's a really interesting question you got there.
Yeah, about learning HTML and CSS in just 5 days.
Based on this course description, it doesn't actually promise a 5-day learning period,
Right. It looks like a pretty comprehensive course.
aiming to take you from the very basics all the way to more advanced topics.
And
Yeah.
they've structured it in.
So you can see like you can be able to like to talk to AI, add all your sources, and ask for question, save notes, and like really research a good like if you are doing a video topic, you will have a good result because everything here is stored in the AI. Then if you want to share with a person, you can share uh, here by copying the link and sharing with them. So I think now that is the end of this video. We have like really learned how to use AI to generate content. So you can comment down below which was your favorite parts and which will you use it in your endeavors. So till next time, bye bye.